Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with our second unit test question. So let's begin with the new chapter number 5, letters. Okay. So you have to take out your textbook, page number 61. So in this unit we are going to learn about letters. You will read various letters and postcards written for different reasons and to different people. Okay? Once you have understood the letters and the format how to write, then you are going to plan and write a letter of your own. Okay? So in page number 61, so we are having your questions, letters and postcards. So let's begin. So let's begin with the letter. We are mostly having two types of letter. One is informal and the other one is formal letter. Informal letters we used to write to relatives, cousins, friends. And formal letters we are writing to principals, manager, municipal corporation and so on. So today we are going to see this letter has been wrote by Audrey to dear Auntie Sonia. Okay. First I am going to read the letter and then we are going to see the meaning, what all the letter is about. Thank you for the books you kindly gave me for my birthday. I was too excited after my party to read, but I intend to start a book immediately after I have finished this letter. How did you know that Francisca Simon was my favorite fiction writer? I love reading about her characters and their adventures. They make me laugh so hard. Do you think I am more like Horrid Henry or Perfect Peter? I know you how interested I am in cars, and the non-fiction book about cars is amazing. I really like the sections on huge, powerful cars. One of my ambitions is to drive a car of this sort when I grow up. Lots of love, Audrey. So here the letter has been wrote by Audrey to dear Auntie Sonia. So what is saying that, thank you for the books you gave me for my birthday. It was very excited for me to read, but I plan to start a book immediately after I have finished this letter. And what he's telling is saying that Francisca Simon was my favorite fiction writer, and he always used to love reading about the characters of Francisca Simon and their adventures. Adventure means the daring things which has been done by Simon, and this makes him laugh so hard. Then he said that I am also interested in cars and the non-fiction books about cars. So what is saying that one of my ambition is to drive a car of this sort. Sort means you can say type or variety of the cars when he is going to grow up. And with lots of love, Audrey. The next letter we are going to see, this is there in your page number 62. Okay. So here, Mrs. Segula, she is writing a letter to the manager. The name of the manager is Corio Argentino. So we'll first read the letter. The manager, Corio Argentino, dear sir, reason. Okay, reason is late delivery of letters. I am writing to complain about the fact that some letters that were posted in our area took over 5 weeks to reach me. A number of letters were written and posted on the same day. The first arrived within 10 days of being posted, but the last of these letters took nearly 4 times as long. These letters were very important to me, for they were written by people I care about. I am away from my home at that moment, so it is particularly important to me that I received letters promptly. I would be grateful for an explanation as to why some of these letters took so long. Yours faithfully, Mrs. Sevilla. So here the letter has been written by Mrs. Sevilla to the manager. The name of the manager is Corio Arganti. So here you can see this sort of letter is a formal letter. Okay, here the Mrs. Sevilla is writing letter to the manager, not any friends, relatives or cousins. Okay, so this type of letter is known as formal letter. And in this letter you have to specify the reason for what purpose you are writing this letter. So she has already mentioned the reason that late delivery of letters. So the reason here is late delivery of letters. That's why she is writing this letter to the manager. The problem she faced is that the letter she arrived was too late and it took 4 times as long. So this was the complaint from Mrs. Sevilla. So she have to be saying that she hoped that the manager will take this complaint and solve the problem as soon as possible. Okay.